There are several chickens and rabbits in a cage. Counting from above, there are 35 heads. Counting from below, there are 94 feet. How many chickens and rabbits are there? Let's solve this with a little magic. First, let's imagine that all 35 animals are chickens. Since every chicken has 2 feet, how many feet would we have? But wait. The problem states there are 94 feet, not 70. We are short. How many feet are we missing? The missing feet belong to the rabbits. Every time we change a chicken back into a rabbit, we add 2 extra feet. To find the number of rabbits, we divide the 24 missing feet by the 2 extra feet each rabbit has. That's 12 rabbits. The rest must be chickens. Problem solved.